Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to change text Buy It Now button on Shopify. So first, you just have to go to your Shopify and go to your themes, which is under online store. Now tap the three dots here and scroll down. Look for edit code. Click this one. And then before you proceed, you have to click open new link tab and go to this site. Okay, you just have to copy the site here. Okay, so just go to the site, and once you're here, all you have to do is to tap this go to file and then click this second one here. Okay, tap this. Now you have to select all, right click, and copy. Okay, so go back to your Shopify and then click this templates here. Now go to assets and then look for themes. I think you just have to scroll down. Okay, this one. Now, once you're here, you have to scroll down and paste the code that you have copied earlier. Now, here, all you have to do is to simply edit or type anything that you want to put on your online store. Let's just say you want to change from buy to purchase now. And then once done, all you have to do is to click save, and then you can preview and go to your store and see the result. So that's how easy it is to change text Buy It Now button on Shopify. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.